heard Philip was down at the bank. How's he doing?
Oh, he's so fantastic.
Oh,
More richer
good,
than
good,
God.
Hello, my guests. Would you like some sugar?
Oh, please.
All right,
It's a little better.
there you go.
Thank you.
You too.
Yes, 2 scoops.
2 scoops.
2.
Oh,
I'm feeling a little bit better right now.
All right,
Okay.
Go and drink some. All right.
Right. Oh, it's delicious.
Quite.
Quite. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes.
Crumpets.
Tea.
Crumpets.
Oh, tea.
Crumpets.
Oh, yes. Harry Potter.
Oh, good one.
Long live the Queen.
No. Long live J.K. Rowling. Yes.
Bottle me backside, slap me sideways and send me to Narnia. Oh my God!
Andrew, I do believe she spilled her tea.
Quite right, old chap.
Bloody hell.